Hi everyone, welcome to English Yes channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a short vowel sound R. As in the word up, you can also hear the sound in the word like cup, but, mat, and flood. Please note that we will be using a special phonetic symbol R for the sound. This video will help you get acquainted with the R and help you to make it the right way. Let's find out how to make the sound. To make the R sound, you should focus on the correct position of your lips and your tongue. Open your mouth slightly. Keep your lips neutral and relaxed. Place your tongue in the center of your mouth. Drop your jaw slightly, not opening too wide. Let's try to say it. Ah. Ah. Now you try and repeat after me. Ah. Ah. Now let's practice this sound with some words. Blood, come, done, fun, can, laugh, must, much, other, run, sun, shut, shut, trust, luck, buck, enough, rough, bunch, bus, club, crush, crust,